We back with another one. Abisai, stay fly. Yeah, I said it. I say fly to the sky, then I take it to a drive. Bad chicks, yeah, the bad dudes, yeah. Get it on my head. Vigilante squad, are you here? Vigilante squad, are you here? Vigilante squad, are you here now? You take it down right, you hit that like button all day, all night. Thanks for supporting the love, that's true. Keep it up with me, that's what we do. Yeah, A-B-I-S-A-I. Abisai, we back with another one. So we are back with another cooking video, oh my gosh. This time, we're gonna make some chewy gooey chocolate chip cookies.
Ooey gooey chewy kablooey!
Ooey gooey chewy kablooies!
Ooey gooey chewy kablooey!
Yay!
That was on the first take, okay. That's what we're gonna keep it. But for real, we're gonna make some chocolate chip cookies and hit the like button if you're new. And Vigilante fan, what's up? What's good? Hope y'all doing good out there without everything is going on. And y'all being great out there, still amazing regardless, you know. So that's all I gotta say. That's what I gotta say during these times. But yeah, so I felt a little bit sweet, you know, felt a little bit sweet right now, you know. So I wanted to sit here and come through and make some chocolate chip cookies for the first time ever. I was never one, I like cookies, but I don't really eat cookies like that. So it's kind of like, yeah, I'm not really a fan of cookies. I'm more so a fan of cakes, pies, donuts, biscuits, grits. Like grits. I'm done. So anyway, yeah, I already got I found a recipe on YouTube. Not on YouTube, but on Google. And I just, like, there's so many recipes. It's kind of like, at this point, just choose one and go, and you figure out the rest one if you like it or not. If you gotta change it up, switch it up, you make it your own. That's what it is. That's what we do out here. Once we get it situated and make it our own, it's ours. It's ours. Fast. So that's what we do. So I already got the flour, the salt, and the cornstarch added. It said they added cornstarch because it said it's supposed to make it more softer, so that's why I want more of a soft cookie. I like soft cookies. So what we're gonna do next, I already got about some brown sugar. I'm gonna leave, if y'all want the recipe, or at least the base recipe that I use, and I'll leave it in the description box for y'all. Okay, so we dump it in the brown sugar, and next we're gonna put in the they said they want the butter to be melted or salty, but I'm gonna make, really they prefer it to be melted, but it said it's okay to be salty too, but I want, you know, I want that right type of softness. That right type of softness where it's just like, it doesn't feel like I want it to melt in my mouth, but I don't want to lose the texture of it, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I want it to still be able to taste it somewhere in my mouth, but still be able to melt it quick, but not like once you get it to the cookie. I hope y'all get what I'm saying. I feel like I'm just talking in circles. Like it's something going on. Dumping the butter in there. Yep. Then we're gonna take the sugar, we're gonna add that sugar up in there.
And then go next.
Like, I really don't be eating season like I do sometimes though, really, let's be real. But I don't, if it's something like this, I have to make it at home. I don't hope that's not too much sugar. But then somebody gonna be like, that's not too much, put some more up in there. Hope for the best, right?
Still Jesse from the box. You know I got the keys to the locks.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
She doing this. I just done. Oh, then I got a new blender. How about this? Okay. So now after that, we put in the egg. That's what I hate the most about eggs. You gotta make sure you do it right. If you don't, you get a crack up in there, you break your mama's back.
What?
I just said that. I felt that was right. It was right. It was right. I'm done. Shoot. It'll be a freaking fun time. Y'all see in my videos, I be having fun. Like, especially when it comes to like anybody who be in my videos and we just be intermission well. It'd be awesome. I learned from the best. I'm gonna keep on saying it. Cooking mama taught me. Mama not happy. For real, really in reality, my mom I used to be so like intrigued by the way she cooked growing up, and when I got the chance, and when she used to give me like, I don't know if y'all ever had this in your house where it'd be like when it comes to like desserts, and she's making desserts, she'd be like, you wanna eat the spoon or whatever. Dad used to get me excited because I knew it tastes good, and I know the cake don't taste good, but it's nothing more better when you get some mix before you get it. It's something amazing about it, for real. So when it came time for me to actually cook, it was time for me to cook. And we add the vanilla extract up in there, make it nice and smelly. It just helps with nice smell and sweet, tender love.
I know that's right!
That's right. Now that I have that done, I can just basically, I'm gonna scoop it in. We're gonna place it in this bowl, and we're gonna fold it in. Fold it into this nice flour. We making cookies now. Yes, I have. Yep, I'm doing cookies all up in my city. Kitchens in this thing. Yes, I'm doing this. Abisai, Abisai, SAI, stay fly. Looking so good in my green tie. I said green tie. I thought I said green tea. Put the chips in here. Then we mix it in. Can we mix it in? Oh, weird. This is my first time making it, and I'm just like, is cookies supposed to be like this? God dang! I'm so surprised about this. It's like, you really trying to mix it. I think I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now. I'm getting it. You rub it in. You rub it like you rubbing in your lotion. Rubbing your lotion into your skin. I hope y'all be rubbing some lotion in. Moisturize your skin. It helps. For real, it does help. Moisturize your skin. Heal your body, your mind, your soul, your mind, and your soul. Those two words again, I repeat that. It looks so good. Okay, I'm getting better at this. At first, I was doing the mixing because I was thinking about cakes. You know how you mix for your cakes and stuff? But you have to like smooth it in if you want to make sure it combines together. Look at this. Wow. You doing this.
Cookie.
So now that we did it, they say you're supposed to chill it for 2 to 3 hours. And I'm like, hold on now. I'm doing this late at night. Like the crazy person that I am. I might just do maybe 30 minutes in the refrigerator. So they said it's supposed to help it bring more form and as well as make it thick. Keep that thickness if you're looking for a thick cookie. So I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator, let it chill for at least maybe 30 minutes to an hour, maybe 30 minutes, because I really I'm trying to crush for time. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna make. I'm trying to see. I don't think you want to make it too big now. I'm gonna try to put enough space between the two. You know, at the end it's gonna flatten down. I might have to. At least I got another pen for that. I got another tool to use if I run out of space. For the oven to basically finish preheating, and we can put these in the oven and let it sit for at least a good. It said 12 to 13 minutes. I might leave it a little longer. They look good though. They look nice and Play-Doh-y. This is my first time actually understanding this is how cookies are supposed to feel, the texture. So it's kind of a new experience compared to like making cakes, where it comes to like you add milk to it too. You add milk to the cakes. While cookies, you don't add no milk.
Brought some cookies.
So we finished our chocolate chip cookies. Like, y'all might be wondering what really happened to the other batch. Well, that other batch got tore up. It got tore up in the oven because at first I had it on 325, like they said it was supposed to be on 325, but I saw it and left it in for 12, 13, 14 minutes actually. And when I put it in, looked at it, I was like, nah, ain't what I want. So I raised up the dirt to 375. This is fine. This came out fine, but I think it was just because of the rack. My rack is a little bit too close to the bottom. So it is what it is. But at least, at first, it wasn't looking like this at all. It was looking more like very undercooked. Like, I didn't want that undercooked. I wanted it to be still soft, but have this kind of, like I wanted to be more like this, pretty much. So we like to taste it. I chose the one that got has the most perfect shape to it at least. So I'm gonna take a piece because I'm on a diet. Yeah, that's good. Like, it reminds me, the way I cooked it, it literally reminds me a bit like the Chips Ahoy cookies, but much more softer. Like the texture, it reminds me a bit of the Chips Ahoy, but it's much more like a softer grain. Ain't like it's like breakable. I mean, not breakable, but like, where it seemed like it's too like you can break the teeth with it. No, it's really amazing. I like that. But definitely hit the like button, share the video. I think I did what I had to do. But at least this came out right, okay? The other cookies were, the top was fine, but the bottom was burnt. I was smelling it. I was like, oh my God, I hope I didn't burn them cookies, but I burned at least the bottom. Said I was okay. This was fine.